Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm going straight into the review of the latest earbuds from Soundpeats called the Air4. Why you should buy it, why you should not. Just to let you know for the record, I did get these sent to me free of charge. I do not get any commissions, did not get paid. They have no say in my review. I don't have an Amazon associate page, so I don't get any fees if you buy these. And I don't get any other fees anyway. I just want to let you know that for the record, so you're going to get an independent review. Like you, I'm also a tech consumer, and I get so annoyed when I buy stuff after reviews and it just doesn't live up to the review. Why you should buy these, why you should not buy these. First, the price. Recommended retail price is about $75. And the reason I say about, I'm filming this before they are launched officially. But there is a discount code. Again, I don't get any money, referral fee below. Don't matter how it works out, but the product will be between $45 and $49. So in other words, for less than $50, is this a go? Yes. Let me tell you why, in a nutshell. First, the case. No fingerprints, lightweight, really lightweight. Nice curve, USB-C, no wireless charging, reset button here and connection button, and that is the actual earbuds. I'll take them out. Okay, there's a little light indicator on the case as well as, just pop them in. That's it. No messing around like the conventional ones. They just fit or not fit, period. And not going anywhere, as you can see. Brilliant. Yep. So light. These got to be one of the lightest I've ever reviewed. And for those who know me, I've reviewed loads and loads and loads of earpods now. But not going anywhere. It's water resistant, IPTX4, I believe is the level. So no problem for the gym. But these are one fit, one size for everyone. Okay, 3 microphones in each one. I do the mic test at the very end and call quality test at the very end. A couple other things that I know people want to see on the case is, are they going to fall out by accident? Close it, open it. Okay, I just hold it there as you can see. Turn it around so you can see it. Mild, medium, full on now. Nothing. They're not coming out. They're not moving. Great. Let's talk about the sound. I think the sound on these is, how do I put it? Not easy to describe sound. You've got all these technical people that do way more than what I do because I'm not an audiologist. I don't think there's such a word. But I would say the sound is excellent all round. It's an all-round sound, but because you don't have that seal, you're not going to get that, wow, you're blown away. But excellent for what I've just described. And for less than $50, it's great, to be honest, great. These are designed for the person that does not like and cannot wear the conventional earbud, the ones with the silicone, plastic, foam ear tips. And I can't believe it, but I only recently found out there are millions of people that have allergies towards them, or they don't like the pressure, or they get air fatigue, as it's called. Millions. So this, bit reminiscent of the original Apple AirPods or the Samsung Buds, I think they were called Live, that just fit in your ear. These are reminiscent of that. Once you've got them in, these are so light, and what you're paying for really is the comfort. And good sound, but the comfort, exceptional. But let me tell you the negatives straight off. Because there's not a perfect seal, you can hear the outside world. So great in an office where you can still talk to people. You don't have to press a button to go into a transparency mode. These don't have them. There's no need, because you can hear that noise anyway. Great if you want to go out even on a bike or running or in the street, you can still hear all the traffic around you. Great for that. You're still going to get CD quality. I can probably relate this to if you've got the best speakers in your house and it's dead quiet, you're going to have great sound, but you've got nothing in your ears. But imagine if you could, you take those speakers outside with you, it's going to be the same as that because you've got all the outside noise still. Now, it does have ANC, which is a little bit different than most. I found it increased the sound, which in itself subdued the outside noise. So it was good, but definitely it's not one of its selling features, okay? Not one of its selling features. Now, let's just go through some of the key features of this thing. It does have an app. We'll talk about the app very, very quickly. The app could do with some more work, to be honest, as well. But the app is pretty good. It does include a hearing test. So once you've taken a hearing test, I do love those because everyone's hearing is different for sure. You can then choose the built-in equalizer to be set to your personal hearing. Has a great little equalizer, has 8, I think, or 10 presets, and it has a custom equalizer where you've got 10 settings. So you've got full control over the sound. Excellent. Give it points for that. I've seen many earbuds without app support with this price, and many of the apps are just terrible, not even worth having. Now, if these do get updated from the time I film and the time in the next few weeks or so, I will let you know in the notes any new features of the earbuds or improvements, because that can be done obviously via the app. But I cannot re-edit the video once it's published. Let me just make sure I covered everything else. You can have one of these in at a time, no problem. It's got a latency mode in the app, great, so you get no delay from what you see and what you hear. There's no silicone to my knowledge in this, but it's a great fit. I mean, great is an understatement. It's a shame I can't reach out and let you try them on. Try to buy these, by the way, from a place that you can send back, because if they're not a good fit, all the positives that I'm referring to won't apply. I've got to be honest with you, but they should fit most people. Range is excellent. They've got the latest Bluetooth 5.3, which is the latest Bluetooth. Great distance, 20, 30 foot, no connection problems. Now it does have and support Snapdragon sound codecs, but very few phones support Snapdragon sound, which is amazing because I'm using this mainly on my Samsung S23 Ultra, which has Snapdragon, but it doesn't support it. It comes with a great 13mm driver, so great sound. You're going to get sound. I'd relate this to high quality CD sound. Perfect. So great. If you've still got to be aware of things, you want these on, you want to forget about them, you have no discomfort, definitely the way to go. Don't recommend for sleeping though. It has the AptX codec as well as, that's automatically will go into that mode if you have the right kind of phone. Multipoint connection, so it connects to more than one device at a time, which is great. On the app, you have the ability to turn off and disconnect all the touch controls. Hope you enjoy this little review. Sound test coming up. Sound and microphone test coming up. Filming in a very busy street, very noisy street, using the Soundpeats. What do you think? Using the S23 Ultra in the Pro mode, so I could use earbuds for my recording. Very noisy. Sound test indoors in a relatively quiet room. I'm now going to turn on the TV, so you've got that in the background. Okay, you can hear the TV, and I'm now going to talk over the TV to see how good the recording is. Okay, so I'm now using the Soundpeats in a noisy cafe. I'm even standing up and walking around. How's the sound?
The sound perfect. I can hear you so good.
From 1 to 10, this is our normal test, 1 to 10, what would you give it?
I give 9.5. Oh,
Wow.
nice. Oh,
That's the highest. Okay, brilliant.
yes,
Thank you. All
yeah.
right.
Okay. Have
Well,
a good day.
there you
Bye.
go.